15 Health Advantages of Sweet Potatoes. Sweet potatoes are healthy and tasty root vegetables. The sweet potato is creamy and soft, sufficient to be a component in a number of pie recipes, and many people think about the vegetable as simply a dessert ingredient. However, researchers have actually discovered that sweet potatoes are among the very best sources of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are naturally loaded with vitamin B5, riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, and carotenoids due to their naturally orange color. The sweet potato, also known as the Ipomoea batatas, not just includes lots of nutrients, but it is also loaded with medicinal benefits. Scientists have identified that sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and anti-cancer properties. Most sweet potatoes are orange in color, but there are others that come in purple, yellow, white, pink, and red. This video will go over the 15 health benefits that you can gain from including sweet potatoes in our routine diet. Sweet potatoes help avoid vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency is a severe concern, particularly in developing nations worldwide. The health consequences of a vitamin A deficiency are serious and can include reduced resistance to transmittable disease, boost in contagious morbidity, dry eyes, also increased death for both pregnant and lactating ladies and their kids. Sweet potatoes are a very crucial source of vitamin A since they consist of high levels of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is transformed into vitamin A in our livers, with every particle of beta-carotene producing 2 molecules of vitamin A. Summary: sweet potatoes are a natural and abundant source of beta-carotene and vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential in assisting the body fight off infections, and remain resistant to any further infections. Sweet potatoes can assist managing diabetes. Sweet potatoes are categorized as low to high on the glycemic index scale, and numerous studies have suggested that it can lessen the event of insulin resistance and low blood glucose levels, in addition to high blood sugar level in individuals who are struggling with diabetes. Their relatively low glycemic index means that the sweet potatoes release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, unlike other starchy foods. This constant release of sugar is what aids in managing the blood glucose levels of people so that it does not go low or high. Therefore, the sweet potatoes can be utilized in the guideline of blood sugar levels, especially in people with diabetes. This policy is seen in both kinds of diabetes, i.e. type 1 and type 2. Studies into the ranges of sweet potatoes have actually exposed that the Beauregard is the most effective sweet potato version when it pertains to blood glucose regulation. In addition, the variation has been shown to have similar protein patterns to Kaiapo, which is an extract from white sweet potatoes. Kaiapo has actually been documented as improving the glucose and cholesterol levels of individuals with type 2 diabetes, and is hence used as dietary management of this disease. The fiber in the sweet potato is additionally hypothesized to be helpful for diabetes management. The sweet potato is a high-fiber food, which has been shown to decrease the blood glucose levels of people suffering from type 1 diabetics. 10 to 15% of the fiber in a sweet potato consists of soluble fibers such as pectin, which are effective in minimizing food intake and spikes in blood sugar. Roughly 77% of the fibers in sweet potatoes are insoluble, and it plays a role in the battle against diabetes. Insoluble fibers are necessary in promoting insulin level of sensitivity, which then helps in regulating the quantity of sugar in the blood. Moreover, sweet potatoes are a crucial source of magnesium, which has been shown to lessen the threat of individuals establishing type 2 diabetes. Summary: sweet potatoes include vital fibers and magnesium that are important in the avoidance and management of diabetes. The veggies also have a reasonably low glycemic index that assists in the policy of blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes can assist handle stress levels. Sweet potatoes consist of a substantial amount of magnesium, which is an important mineral for regular body working. One of the most crucial benefits of magnesium is that it helps in reducing tension and anxiety. Research studies have shown that an increase in magnesium shortage in modern diets has actually resulted in a substantial boost when it comes to depression reported across the world. For instance, some regulated research studies have actually suggested that magnesium shortage increases depression in women experiencing premenstrual signs. Magnesium deficiency and anxiety are connected since they both feature cell-mediated immune actions and body-wide inflammation. Studies have also revealed that a boost in magnesium intake secures the brain from stress and anxiety and/or anxiety after a traumatic injury. Additionally, research studies have also revealed that a reduction in magnesium will result in an increase in anxiety-related behaviors. In addition, magnesium has actually been found to lower insomnia in older people. Insomnia is a trigger for stress, anxiety, which is unfortunate as more than 50% of elderly individuals experience some kind of absence of sleep. Summary: sweet potatoes are a crucial source of magnesium, whose shortage has actually been reported to be related to a greater danger of stress and anxiety. Therefore, sweet potatoes can renew the body's magnesium levels and assist minimize the symptoms of anxiety and anxiety-related habits in people. Sweet potatoes include anti-inflammatory activity. Sweet potatoes consist of a substantial amount of vitamins, the majority of which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research studies carried out on the purple sweet potato have conclusively shown that the extracts from the veggie version had the ability of inhibiting the production of active inflammatory elements in the body. Furthermore, sweet potatoes have a high concentration of choline, which is an extremely versatile nutrient. One of the main advantages of choline is that it minimizes inflammatory reactions in the body, leading to less swelling. Research studies have shown that choline works in therapeutically restraining incidences of systemic swelling in the body. Additional studies have actually shown that extracts from the purple sweet potato contained anthocyanins, which proved necessary in decreasing and avoiding swelling in colon cancer cells, also the reduction of cell proliferation in particular cancer cells. Summary: the presence of anthocyanins and choline in sweet potatoes make the veggies a necessary dietary source in the prevention and reduction of persistent inflammation in the body. Sweet potatoes can help protect, prevent, manage cancer. Research studies have shown that the purple-fleshed sweet potato is especially reliable in the battle against cancer. This variation of the sweet potato has elements that are able to hinder growth of specific cancers that include breast cancer, gastric cancer, and colon cancer by causing the cell death of these cancer cells. The veggie's high anthocyanin material is believed to be the reason behind the sweet potato's anti-cancer activity when it comes to gastric and breast cancers. Other studies have conclusively revealed that extracts from different parts of the sweet potato can also induce cell death in prostate cancer cells, making sure that the cancer does not grow and infect other parts of the prostate. Researchers have concluded that the anti-cancer activity of sweet potatoes when it concerns managing prostate cancer is due to their high polyphenol material. The existence of carotenoids such as beta-carotene in sweet potatoes has actually been reported as having a considerable impact on decreasing the threat of men becoming affected with prostate cancer. Beta-carotene has actually also been found to be reliable in preventing and minimizing the threats of people establishing colorectal cancer. Summary: sweet potatoes consist of beta-carotene, a carotenoid, which is vital in safeguarding guys from establishing prostate cancer. In addition, extracts from different parts of sweet potatoes have actually been shown to speed up the death of breast, stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancers, limiting the development and spread of these cancers. Sweet potatoes can assist guard against ulcers. An ulcer happens when an inflamed tissue is shed from the mucous membrane or from the skin, and it can be quite unpleasant. Other studies have actually shown that the methanol extract from the root of a sweet potato can protect the intestinal tissues from aspirin-induced ulcers. The outcomes of these studies have actually proved that the sweet potatoes can be utilized in the treatment and management of peptic ulcers. Another study revealed that the flour in the roots of the sweet potatoes helped in the avoidance of ethanol-related ulcer in the stomach. The flour from the veggie is reported to reduce stomach ulcer by decreasing swelling in the surrounding tissues, and safeguarding the stomach wrinkles. In addition, extracts from the veggie have been revealed to have complementary radical scavengers, which are essential in the healing of injuries inside the body. Summary: research studies on the extracts from sweet potatoes have revealed that the vegetable has chemicals that can help heal injuries and ulcers in the stomach. Therefore, dietary consumption of sweet potatoes can be a reliable treatment plan versus major types of ulcers consisting of ethanol and aspirin-induced ulcers. Sweet potatoes can help in reducing the danger of cardiovascular diseases. Oxidation in the body leads to problems such as atherosclerosis, which in turn can cause the development of a number of heart diseases. Leaf extracts from sweet potatoes were evaluated and scientists found that the high levels of polyphenols in the leaf extracts had the ability to suppress oxidation in human beings, reducing the chances of advancement of cardiovascular disease. Researchers think that the leaves of the veggie have substantial antioxidant properties because of their relatively high levels of extreme scavenging activity, in addition to a high amount of polyphenol substances. The scavenging activity and the high levels of polyphenols add to its antioxidant properties and assist in reducing the risk of one developing a cardiovascular disease. Other scientific studies have actually revealed that the high levels of anthocyanin in the purple-fleshed sweet potato contributed to the veggie's capability to decrease the possibilities of coronary disease. In addition, sweet potatoes consist of soluble dietary fibers, which have been strongly linked to reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Summary: the fibers, anthocyanin, polyphenols, and high radical scavenging activity contained in sweet potatoes are very important in the battle against cardiovascular diseases. Sweet potatoes include antimicrobial properties. Regardless of the truth that studies on the antimicrobial properties of sweet potatoes are restricted, a number of scientific reports have actually concluded that the sweet potato does have some level of antimicrobial activity. Some research studies have discovered that the ethanol and acetone extracts from sweet potato leaves possess antimicrobial homes against bacteria that cause pneumonia and typhoid. The fiber in sweet potatoes has also been recorded to prevent the growth of foodborne germs. Other studies have actually discovered that sweet potato leaf powder and its water, ethanol, and peptone extracts possess antimicrobial activity versus Salmonella typhi, E. coli, and Klebsiella pneumoniae. Summary: sweet potatoes and their extracts possess antimicrobial activities, which can be used in the prevention and treatment of a variety of bacterial pathogens and infections. Sweet potatoes can assist improve hair and skin. As pointed out above, sweet potatoes are abundant in vitamin A. The veggies are rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. Studies have revealed that dietary intake or supplementation of vitamin E has the potential of considerably increasing hair numbers in people who are suffering from loss of hair. This is due to the fact that vitamin E includes antioxidant properties that help in reducing oxidative tension, a major cause of alopecia. Vitamin C has actually been known to be an effective skin-related treatment that can be utilized in the treatment of aging and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is efficient at neutralizing the oxidative stress brought on by exposure to UV light. In addition, the mix of vitamin C and E can significantly minimize the danger of skin cancer in individuals. Vitamin C is also vital in the synthesis of collagen, which is the primary structural protein of the skin. A variety of studies have also revealed that vitamin C contains anti-inflammatory properties. This implies that the vitamin can assist handle skin diseases such as acne, in addition to promoting recovery of wounds on the skin. Vitamin A has been proven to be reliable in the treatment and management of sun-damaged skin. In addition, the studies have revealed that the vitamin is effective in the treatment of skin cancer in addition to chemotherapy and other treatment options. Other research studies have shown that vitamin A is an effective stimulant of collagen, making it helpful in reducing the rate of natural cell aging as well as preventing aging of our skin. Summary: sweet potatoes contain high levels of vitamin A, C, and E, all of which are useful in the promotion of proper skin and hair health. These vitamins are useful in fixing skin that is harmed due to direct exposure to UV light. The vitamins decrease the cell aging procedure in the skin, helping you keep a youthful try to find longer. In addition, vitamin E is specifically beneficial in the avoidance and treatment of alopecia, and preserving good hair health. Sweet potatoes benefit digestion. Sweet potatoes consist of large amounts of fibers, which have long been understood for improving the health of the gut along with food digestion. Numerous laxatives in usage today are made from fibers, indicating that consumption of sweet potatoes can increase your intake of fibers required to promote correct food digestion. The high fiber content of the sweet potatoes can also assist in preventing constipation in both kids and grown-ups. Summary: sweet potatoes include considerably high quantities of fibers, which are necessary in promoting a well-functioning digestive tract, along with preventing constipation. Sweet potatoes can assist in managing high blood pressure. Sweet potatoes can help in managing high blood pressure due to the fact that they are rich in both magnesium and potassium. Studies have actually shown that a greater consumption of potassium leads to a decline in blood pressure, which then significantly decreases the possibility of a specific establishing a stroke or a coronary issue. Magnesium is also thought as an effective dietary component in the avoidance of high blood pressure, in addition to its reduction in both pregnant and non-pregnant clients. In addition, other studies have actually found that magnesium shortage in the body increases the threat factors for the development of high blood pressure. Summary: sweet potatoes contain substantial quantities of both magnesium and potassium, both of which are important in the battle against hypertension. They also help regulate the blood pressure, which minimizes the possibilities of individuals experiencing heart diseases. Sweet potatoes can enhance fertility. The high doses of vitamin A in sweet potatoes makes the vegetable perfect for consumption by females of childbearing age to improve their fertility. Studies on have actually shown that vitamin A plays an integral function in improving reproductive efficiency. Research has actually also revealed that a deficiency in vitamin A can result in secondary infertility in women of childbearing age. Sweet potatoes includes a healthy dose of iron, which is a vital mineral in promoting fertility in women of childbearing age. Reports show that anemia, or iron deficiency, is a cause of infertility amongst females. These reports have revealed that dealing with the iron deficiency by increasing dietary intake of iron usually leads to women having the ability to conceive a couple of months to a year after the treatment. Other studies have actually discovered that a boost in dietary iron consumption decreases the threat of ovulatory infertility. Summary: iron is vital in the help of fertility amongst women. An important source of dietary iron is sweet potatoes. Research studies have actually revealed that an increase in dietary consumption of iron from food sources such as sweet potatoes can help reverse secondary fertility, in addition to lower the chances of females ending up suffering from infertility. In addition, sweet potatoes include high doses of vitamin A, which is important in enhancing reproductive performance in females of childbearing age. Sweet potatoes are essential for good vision. Sweet potatoes contain a great deal of vitamin A, and most of us know that vitamin A is good for our vision. However, we may not understand in exactly which way the vitamin improves our vision. Studies have revealed that the vitamin is vital in the formation of the pigments responsible for light absorption. In addition, vitamin A is vital in keeping the proper structure of the retina. A deficiency of vitamin A can lead to poor vision, and in some instances loss of sight. Deficiency in the vitamin can also cause night loss of sight. Additionally, other eye diseases consisting of the dryness of the cornea, the ulceration of the cornea, and conjunctiva, have actually also been linked to a deficiency in vitamin A. Sugary food potatoes are also a substantial source of both vitamin C and E. A research study carried out in India showed that there was a considerable relationship in between vitamin C deficiency and the development of cataracts. Other studies have discovered that both vitamin C and E could be effective in the fight against oxidative tension, which frequently results in eye cataracts. Summary: sweet potatoes consist of high amounts of vitamin A, C, and E, all of which are integral in promoting excellent vision. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to night loss of sight, total blindness, as well as malformation of the retina. Shortage in vitamin C is mostly related to the advancement of cataracts. Sweet potatoes can help in weight management. Sweet potatoes contain soluble and fermentable fiber that increase satiety and offer the body a natural, self-sustaining mechanism for body weight control. Research studies have actually shown that a person of the major soluble dietary fibers in sweet potatoes, pectin, is effective at lowering food consumption, reducing weight gain, and increasing the activity of satiety hormones in the body. Scientific research studies have actually also shown that a higher intake of fibers is strongly correlated to minimize body weight. An increase in usage of sweet potatoes will result in a boost in fiber consumption, which will in turn cause a lower body weight. Summary: the fiber in sweet potatoes can help in keeping satiety, in addition to lowering the overall weight of an individual. The more full you feel throughout the day, the less you will snack, which will help you handle your weight successfully. Sweet potatoes are memory-enhancing foods. Studies have actually revealed that the anthocyanin included in the purple sweet potato have memory-boosting properties. The underlying belief here is that the antioxidant properties of the anthocyanins are what make sweet potatoes memory-improving agents. Summary: consuming sweet potatoes regularly can help improve your memory. Final point: this video has shown that sweet potatoes have many advantages which are vital for day-to-day life. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.